today I'm going to share with you how I make the best scrambled egg ever. Here I have 4 eggs. I will crack the eggs into the bowl. This is how I usually make my scrambled egg. I'm adding a pinch of salt in there, black pepper to taste. I will set up the heat for medium-low and add about a teaspoon olive oil into the pan. You can use butter if you like. And I will break the egg or whisk until the white and the yellow are combined together. And I add about a tablespoon of milk in there. It will make the egg more fluffy and soft. So look at that. That's how you should whisk your egg until it looks creamy. Now we will pour the egg into the pan. Look at that. When you see that the egg on the side started to set, then you use your spatula to gently move the egg around. And make sure if you want to get the best scrambled egg, you have to set the heat on low or medium-low. That way your egg will not cook too fast and that you will get the best and perfect scrambled egg. Alright? Just gently move it around like that. And swirl your pan to get all the excess egg that haven't cooked yet. If you find any value information or enjoy my video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. Okay, so I would like my scrambled eggs to be more creamy and more flavor. I'm adding some cheddar cheese here. You can use any cheese of your choice, alright? Or if you don't like any cheese at all in your scrambled egg, you can leave that out. Every time I make my scrambled egg or any egg recipe, I remember my young childhood life. We are very poor and we have to share a scrambled egg with other siblings because we only have 1 to 3 eggs at a time for 3 to 4 little kids, or if you want for the whole family, and we have to use it to make fried rice with it so that everybody can eat it, you know. But today I can have as much as I want. I don't like my scrambled egg to be too dry, so after the cheese is melting, I remove from the stove and transfer to the serving plate. I grated some more cheese on top of it, and if you don't like any more cheese, you can add chive, scallion or parsley on top of it. For my scrambled egg today, my kid doesn't like any green in it, so I will leave that out and just like this plain scrambled egg. And look at that, how beautiful and creamy. Look at all those melted cheese. It looks so delicious. The smell is amazing from all the melted cheese and the eggs. So you can have it as a breakfast or with the sandwiches. So let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time.